Whole house volume control. Trimless Decora Style Impedance Matching Volume Control Kit for whole house audio systems and dedicated audio zones so you can control speaker volume independently within various areas of your home or office. DECORA Style Design. Installs easily and works with almost any audio system. Inlclude white trim plate to match your room decor as well as a 12-point linear control knob to adjust volume from high to inaudible. Includes adjustable jumpers. Rated at 100 watts peak with minimal bass roll-off, includes adjustable jumpers to add up to 8 pairs of 8-ohm speakers simultaneously depending on what type of load your amp can handle. Impedance matching protection. Includes selectable impedance matching so parallel connections of multiple volume controls can be installed without damaging your receiver or amplifier. A complete VC kit. Designed to provide low distortion and a ruler flat frequency response. Accepts up to 14-gauge wiring and includes junction box and screws. Top reviews from the United States. Looks great and works well. All in all, this is a great volume control for the $. Only potential improvement would be to have larger wiring fittings to accommodate 12-gauge wiring. I used 14-gauge and it was a bit snug. But overall I'm very satisfied with product.